So everyone is doing well in your in everyone. Am I audible? Firstly,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
okay, fine. So
Yes, sir.
I wish everyone is doing well in their families as well as their health. So just a sec, let me check. Uh, So, to yes, in the previous class, I was unable to because of my internet connections and everything. So, in today's class, we'll learn about the plane projection. Today's topic is plane projection. Plane projection. Plane projection. Just a sec. Just give me a sec. Just give me a sec. So, in plane projection, we have to learn about the basics. There are some basics of plane projection which you have to remember. I think most of you know about the basics, but then also I'll repeat the same because it will give you how to approach for the plane projection and everything. Let us start plane projection. Plane projection. Projection. Now, please pay attention. Here we are starting with here we'll be starting with some of the criterias. What is first of all, what is plane? First of all, you need to know what is plane. Okay, what is plane? Plane is nothing but your joining of lines or joining of points, numerous number of points. Now, how you can understand? Now we know this is termed as point, fine, and this is termed and this is line. Okay, let us write it. This is point, P-O-I-N-T, point, and this is line. Now when you join number of lines, minimum number of lines should be 3, then it becomes plane. So what does that means? If you join number of lines, that is this becomes a plane. This becomes a plane. So what should be the minimum number of planes? That is nothing but your number of lines. This is the 3. So what you can write? It is plane. It is plane. Fine. This is what is happening. So now what we have done in earlier classes, we have learnt about this this point, we have learnt about this line, but we are not familiar with planes. What to do? How to approach? So before that, we need to go for some basics which will give us the understanding how a plane works. So let us start with today's class. In today's class, let us see. Okay. Okay. Just inform me when it is not visible to you. Fine. So there are two planes. One is VP and another is HP. So what will happen? What will happen if I put a plane over here? Let me color the plane. That would give. What will happen to the plane if I put a plane over here? Now remember that we are projecting light from here, from the above. So let me change the color. This will give you we are applying a light from this way and this way. Now what will happen? How many of you can answer? What will happen if I put a light from the top, and if I put a light from this way? What will happen? Please And
So from HP, we can see the image of the
what?
The single line you can see
in VP.
Oh,
A
just
straight line is there.
one by one. One by one. What would be for the first one? First, what will be for the HP? What projection I'll see in HP? What I can see
The plain sir image পাবো।
plain image.
I can see the image or the shadow. What we say, or in engineering words, I can see the projection. In simple words, I could see the projection. It will be visible over here. Am I right?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now what that means we have done with this one. What about this one? If I put a light from in the horizontal direction, what I'll be
The straight line.
We will see a straight line
will see
only.
a will see a straight line. Perfect. So this,
We can see only a straight line.
yes, we'll only see a straight line. That means if we project these things, we can see a straight line. Now here comes the nomenclature. You need to know the how the naming is done. How many of you know how the naming is done over here in while projecting this one? Does anyone knows how the projection is done? Projection naming is done. তোমরা জানো কেউ?
স্যার ওই এইচ দ্যাট ওগুলো
হ্যাঁ, কি করে করি আমরা নেমিংটা? Any idea? Any idea? So let me show you how the naming is done. It is very important for you to know the naming. Fine. So what we do is, let us name this as A, this as B, this is C, and this is as D. Fine. So here, since it is projecting this thing over here, so I can write A dash. Since
এ ড্যাশ
over here B dash. Since it is projecting here over here, I can write, let me give an arrow, C dash. Now the other end we cannot see right now, so we will not project right now. It is just for understanding purpose. We cannot answer in this manner. Let me tell you, you cannot answer this in this manner. But what about this way? Now if you project in this way, let me change the color. Okay, if I project in this manner, what I can see that here C and D, these 2 points are being projected. So what I can do, I can write over here C dash B dash, sorry, C double dash B double dash. Clear? Now similarly for this one, what I can do, what I can write A dash A double dash D double dash. Is it clear to you people? Is it clear?
yes sir
Yes, sir.
So okay, fine. So similarly for this, so can I put this as my answer in my text in my textbook? No, we cannot put. So we have to show it in a way how is representable. Now the representable way is in this manner. So let me draw the diagram. So the representable way is in this manner. Fine. So this is the region which divides themselves. So what we'll write BP and we'll write HP, as we know. So what we'll do, we'll write the region. What is the region? So the region will be, what I'll write, A dash, B dash, C dash, and D dash. Fine. So again we'll be drawing the projection lines. What we'll do, we'll draw. So okay, it should be lighter. Let me tell you, it should be lighter. That's why I took a light line. So as you can see, I took a light line. After that, what I'll be doing, sorry. Just give me a sec, let me correct it. don't overwrite it. I am just overwriting for your visualization. I don't recommend you to overwrite these things. I am doing just for your understanding purpose. Okay, so what I will be writing over here, I'll be writing C double dash D B double dash, and what I'll be writing over here, it will be A double dash D double dash. Now what I'll be doing, I'll be showing some arrows because it is very necessary to show the arrow. This will actually help you to make understand that how the projection is going. Am I clear to you people? Am I clear to you people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Now
Yes,
what
sir.
will
Yes.
happen? It's okay. So what will happen if I just change it in I just revert it in other way around. So what I did is this line, this plane is parallel. As you can see, this plane is parallel over the top one. So this is obvious that this will happen. Now it is neither parallel to this one nor parallel to this one, to HP or BP. That means there is some angular deflection or angle. What will happen? Now this is from where the problem starts, and from where you have to understand, and you have to draw it. From where you have to draw it, because now you may ask me, sir, why we are doing this one? Because this is the basic, and this will give you the idea how to draw draw in a proper way, as well as to how it is drawn. Now let us draw again. This is my BP and this is my HP. Fine. So what happens? This is my BP and this is my HP. So what happens? Let us give one plane. Let us draw a plane in this manner. Now as you can see, the plane is the plane is above HP, but the plane is above HP, but it is tilted towards VP. Okay, so what will happen? Let me give you the idea, because here the thing is that you will be getting confused. That's why I am giving you the idea that will make you the sense. Now when you will see this type of thing, don't get afraid. You have to be you need to know what will happen. Now if you apply a light in this manner, in this way, what will happen? Then there will be a projection in this manner, and this will give you a projection over here. Am I clear? Am I clear to you people?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir.
okay, if this happens when you apply a light from the above, what will happen? You can see a projection over at the bottom. But remember, since it is tilted, that means the actual length over here will not be projected over in this line. Am I clear to you people? Am I clear to you people?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let us draw the projection line. I know the projection line won't be visible because I am drawing with lowest available. So in this manner we could draw this one. So what will happen? Now what will happen? The thing is that if the length of this which color shall I choose? Okay, if the length of this one is 8 centimeter, So you could find here 8 centimeter, but here this, in this manner, here it will not be 8 centimeter, it will not be 8 centimeter. Am I clear to you people? Am I?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So how can you represent it? Again, let us go for the representation, because because we will be using in plane projection, we use this this type of shapes, this type of things in while drawing, because it is very important, very important. You should know these things, because while drawing this one in the plane projection, you will be enforced to this, apply everything, the three agenda what I am showing in the, while drawing this things. So let us see how it will appear. This will appear in this let me take this one, red. Okay, so this is BP and this is HP. This is BP and this is HP. BP and HP. So what would happen? This one, this is my projection. This is my projection at BP, and this is the projection on my HP. So what I can do? You have to draw in this manner only. So what will happen? Let us write it as A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. So since we know that we are drawing in this manner, so what would nothing, this will not hamper us. C double dash, B double dash, A double dash, A double dash, D double dash. Am I clear to you people? Am I clear to you people? Okay. The last, third thumb rule. After that I'll show you one drawing. This is where we actually draw, because these things will be used, because you may be worried, so why you are showing this one. We know somewhat about it, but because it is a thumb rule, because you need to know this. Now in that thumb rule, as you can see, this line was entirely parallel to this one, that is nothing but this line was parallel to BP's this line. But what would happen if the entire body is tilted in such a manner that it is projected, in such a manner that it is not parallel to this one, this HP. That means one end of the plane is not parallel to the another end of the plane. What will happen? Come to my point, that what will happen on this phenomenon. This is what we are gathering. Let us go back. Fine. So let us draw the projection once. This is my BP, this is my HP. Fine. So what happens is that let us consider a plane. Plane. So what is happening? The plane is in this manner. Fine. Plane is in this manner. So what will happen? That means this plane is not parallel to this one, neither this one nor this one, neither this one, none of them. So it is not parallel to BP also. So what will happen? Now if I apply a light in this manner and this manner, I will be finding two projections. What will be the first projections? Let me show you. First projection will show me like this type of tilting. Fine. The next projection on HP will show me, let me get the picture, will show me this type of projection. Fine. Why? Let us get back to the point. Here we'll write the name and we'll be getting to the point why it is happening and what is happening. A, B, C, D. So what will happen if I see the projection over here, over here, over here, and similarly from here to here? So this here, this name will be A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash. Similarly, this will also give us a name. This will give us a name that will be A double dash, B double dash, okay, C double dash, D double dash. Now this makes some bit complicated. Now you may ask, sir, why it is why in this manner only? Because this is the most difficult oriented manner it can be. So this, don't worry, it is very easy. Now what will happen if you show in a single plane, if you show in a single way, how it will show? VP HP কিরকম দেখাবে? It will show like this. It will show like this. আচ্ছা, তোমাদেরকে স্বাগত স্যার কি এরকম কিছু প্রজেকশন করিয়েছিল? ইয়েস অর নো? করিয়েছিল কি? করিয়েছিল? I need answer from you. Has Swagoto sir taught you about regarding this type of projections? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Now, let plane projection করিয়েছিল কি? প্লেন প্রজেকশন
প্লেন প্রজেকশন করিয়েছিল।
হ্যাঁ
হেক্সাগন,
হ্যাঁ হেক্সাগন করিয়েছিল তো। দাঁড়াও, এখনই তুমি তোমরা এখনই বলবে যে স্যার এটা তো স্বাগত স্যার করিয়েছিল আমাদেরকে, এখনই বলবো। দাঁড়াও, did Swagoto sir told you that this will be something like this? For example, this is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, this is D dash, and the projection will be here A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash. And have you seen like this? These lines are coming from somewhere like this like this, এরকম করে কিছু লাইন আসছিল, জয়েন করছিল, তারপর এখানের মধ্যে আমরা একটু কেটে এখানে এই জিনিসটা ফর্ম করছিলাম, মনে পড়ে? স্বাগত স্যার করিয়েছিল?
yes sir.
হ্যাঁ, সেম দিস অনলি। Now from where it has been developed? It has been developed from this way only. What it has been developed? Just try to remember. I am just giving you again briefing. A plane is projected in such a way that it is neither parallel to HP, neither parallel to VP. It is just floating in such a manner. So what will happen? It will give a shadow towards downward, as you can see, as well as it will also give a shadow towards in this VP also. So what I can do, I could simply project in this manner. And now what happens is that when we are developing it, in the other stage is the development. When we are developing it, we could see when we get crossed, when this line get crossed over here, for here, so then after we say that we say that okay fine, this is C double dash, it is this D double dash. This is the same procedure what we are following. Now let me give you one example that will give you a clear picture how these three techniques are being used. Fine? Okay, fine. Let me start. Okay, now okay, I'm showing about pentagon. Fine, I'm showing about pentagon. So what is the question? You don't have to do it. In this today's week you all have to learn it. You don't have to do it. So let me write the question. A regular pentagon just let me brief it. A pentagon is having a side inclined at 45 degree and BP 45. So it is let me brief it so just that the question doesn't get clumsy. So it is given that pentagon is having pentagon sides. Let me give the data. Pentagon sides suppose it is given 30 mm, for example 30 mm. So one side is, it is given that one side resting on BP, on HP, okay, and another side is at 45 degree angle, another side is and the other side is 45 degree angle. Number 2, other side 45 degree on HP. Now what is the question? Question is projection making 30 degree on BP. So let me summarize the question. The question says that there is a pentagon which side is 30 mm, and one side of it is resting on HP and other side is 45 degree on HP, and it is asked that they have asked you to draw a projection on at 30 degree on BP. So how you can do that? How you can do that? What is the main procedure to do that? Let me simplify it. I will be not showing you everything because we have a shortage of time. In next class we will continue. So but the thing is that let me show you how this can be done. So what we do is that basically at first we draw a line, okay. I will not draw as per the as per all the, just give me a sec. I'll not draw as per all the requirements or something, what do you say, as per the scale. I cannot draw right now, but I'll give you all the knowledge. X and this is Y. So it has been asked that a regular pentagon, let us draw a regular pentagon. So let me draw a pentagon. Now what it has been asked that let me name it A, B, C, Y. A, B, C, D and E. Fine. This will give a projection, since it is asked that this will give a lying on HP. So what does that means? So we could shortcut in this manner, that since it's lying on HP, so we could draw a projection, and this will also give a projection over here. What would be that? A dash, B dash, C dash, C dash, E dash, and D dash. Now এখন মাথায় আসতে পারে, you could also think that, sir, how you draw this one, how you draw this things, this one, this is the most important part, how you draw this. Now I have drawn by using my few of my techniques. What are the techniques? There's nothing there. This is nothing but the technique is in such a manner. Try to understand the manner in this manner, in this way. As per the question, it is termed as a hexagon, a pentagon. Let me draw the pentagon. Okay, a pentagon. Ignore my drawing. A pentagon is lying on HP. Fine. So what will happen if you provide a light? It will generally show a projection. It will show a projection over here, but since it is lying on HP, that means if you apply a light from here, it will show a simple line. It is lying on HP. It is not lying on BP. বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বুঝতে পারোনি? Is it clear? Is it clear?
Sir,
হ্যাঁ বলো।
sir, the Pentagon is on the HP. I mean the Pentagon and
বুঝলাম না কি বলে?
the Pentagon and the HP is in the equal sense.
ইকুয়াল বুঝলাম না কি ইকুয়াল তোমার কথাটা বুঝতে পারছি না।
মানে বলছি স্যার পেন্টাগনটা যে আছে সেটা কি মানে এইচপির উপরে রয়েছে মানে একদম ইকুয়াল প্লেনের?
হ্যাঁ প্লেনের ওপরে আছে। আর এটা কি ছিল? প্লেনের ওপরে ভাসছিল। এই প্লেনগুলো প্লেনের উপর ভাসছিল। এই যে আমরা কনসিডারেশন করছি প্লেনের উপর ভাসছিল। They were floating on the above of the plane. That's why we draw like this. But over here they are not at all flying over the plane. It is settled on. This is, let me go back. This is settled on the HP. Am I clear? And this is BP.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So what happened is that after while they are projecting on this one, since it is projection is over there, so this is giving a projection on like this. So what I did, I just drew this part over here. Am I clear? Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now here comes the magic. So what I did, I thought, okay fine, since I did this one, let me extend some line arbitrarily. I'll extend this line arbitrarily, extend to the final, don't worry. So no, don't do this thing. Extend the line. Okay, let me extend the line till this one. So after that what I did, okay fine, what I can do, let it is given that 45 degree, as you can see it is given that other side 45 degree on HP. I have summarized the question because by summarizing the question you could understand. Now the other side is 45 degree on HP. So what does that mean? You could directly draw a line in this manner. You could directly draw a line in this manner. Now how much would be the length of the line? The most important point, how much would be the length of the line? You just need to take the dimension from here and you need to project it over here. বুঝতে পেরেছো? So that thing, it will be copied, carbon copied over here. Am I clear? বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বুঝতে পারো?
Repeat one, sir.
আমি বলছি যে এই যে এখানে যেটা করেছো, যে লাইনটা ড্রয়িং করেছো, এই লাইনটা হুবহু এখানে বসাবে, বাট at an angle of 45 degree. কেন? What is the concept? Because it is written that one of its side is 45 degree inclined. So we have inclined on HP. এজন্য আমরা এই জিনিসটা করলাম। ক্লিয়ার হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা? বুঝতে পেরেছি? ওকে।
45 কেন?
হ্যাঁ কি হচ্ছে বলো?
45 কেন?
কারণ কি কোশ্চেনে দেওয়া আছে, কোশ্চেনটা একটু বড় কোশ্চেন, বাট আমি এটাকে ছোট করে আদার সাইড 45 ডিগ্রি সাইড 45 ডিগ্রি অন এইচপি, মানে কি বলেছে যে ওয়ান অফ ইট সাইডস আর 45 ডিগ্রি ইনক্লাইন্ড অন এইচপি। একটা সাইড, যে কোনো একটা সাইড, এইখানে যে কোনো একটা সাইড 45 ডিগ্রিতে হয়ে বসে আছে। তো এটাকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করার জন্য আমরা এরকম করেছি। আজকে তো ফুললি করা যাবে না, আমি জাস্ট তোমাদেরকে বলে দিলাম যে এটাকে আমরা এইটাকে এরকম করে আমি দেখিয়ে দেবো, ঠিক আছে? এখানে হ্যাঁ এটাকে আমি করে দেখিয়ে দেবো, এক্সপ্লেনেশনটা দিয়ে দেবো, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এক্সপ্লেনেশন দিয়ে দেবো। তো হচ্ছেটা কি? সো হিয়ার ইট উইল বি এ ড্যাশ, বি ড্যাশ, C dash, E dash and D dash and D dash. What happens is that after that let us draw some projection lines. What would be the projection lines? Eta from here to here, from here to now. Remember, since এটা D point, D dash দেখতে পাচ্ছ, D dash point, ঠিক আছে, since it's a D dash point অথবা what I can do is that, and we know this line is of D dash, so what would happen, this will be projected as D double dash. Clear হয়েছে ব্যাপারটা? Since it is D dash point and this is also D, that means it will intersect on this point. Am I clear? বুঝতে পেরেছো কি বুঝতে পারোনি? Am I clear to you people?
আরেকবার বলুন।
বলছি এইখানে যে ডিটা দেখতে পাচ্ছ, এই ডিটা, এই ডি লাইন কোনটা, এই ডি লাইন কোনটা, এই ডি লাইনটা হচ্ছে কি এটা, এটা, ঠিক আছে। আর এই ডি, এই ওপর থেকে ডি লাইনটা কোথার থেকে আসছে, এটার থেকে আসছে, তাই তো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
হ্যাঁ, তাহলে কোথায় কোথায় মিট করছে, এই পয়েন্টে মিট করছে, তাহলে এটা হয়ে যাবে ডি ডাবল ড্যাশ। ক্লিয়ার? বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ফাইন। নেক্সট, এটা গেম এখনো খেলার, গেমটা এখনো শেষ হয়নি, এটা করার একটা রিজন আছে। তো নেক্সট হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমরা একটু শর্টে বলে দিচ্ছি। নেক্সট হচ্ছে সিমিলারলি ভাবে আমরা আমাদের নেক্সট পয়েন্টটাও বের করবো। নেক্সট পয়েন্টটা কি, এখানে এ লাইন, মানে এ লাইন এটা, এখানে এ লাইনটা এখানে মিট করছে, তাহলে এটা হয়ে যাবে এ ড্যাশ, ঠিক আছে, এটা হচ্ছে এ ড্যাশ, এ ডাবল ড্যাশ। সিমিলারলি বিটা এখানে মিট করছে, আর ওপর থেকেও বিটা এখান থেকে এ দিক থেকেই নামছে, সেজন্য এটা হয়ে যাবে বি ডাবল ড্যাশ। সিমিলারলি, একেবারে সিমিলারলি সি ই ড্যাশ, মানে কি এটা হয়ে যাবে ই ডাবল ড্যাশ অ্যান্ড এটা হয়ে যাবে সি ডাবল ড্যাশ। ক্লিয়ার? বোঝা গেছে এতটুক? এ বি সি কে মেলালাম, আর কিছু করলাম না। ক্লিয়ার এতটুক? Is it clear till now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, what I can do is I could just join the line in this manner. This will give me a pentagon, but this pentagon had to be projected at as per the written as 30 degree. So what I can do, I have to do in the another process. That means I'll be continuing from this area only. This is from this area only. So in the next class, because the time is limited and Manushi madam will take your class. Okay, fine. So here nothing. Let me give you a briefing. Nothing will happen. Just what I will be doing is that I'll be drawing again lines from here. Again I'll be intersecting. I'll be intersecting. I'll be taking one line. I'll be taking 30 degree, and I'll be dividing the line, and I'll be joining this one. This is the procedure. So I'll be showing the next procedure in the next class. This is a very simple procedure. This up to this much is the complications. After that, there is no complications. Fine. See you in the next class.